If you plan to move to Colorado in the near future while still trying to find a place offer you low cost of a living, but a lot of outdoor activities. So we have a 5 acre lot in south central Colorado might be a great choice for you. So this lot is 3 hours a drive from Colorado Springs, close to 3 hours, like 2.2 hour 48 minutes drive to Santa Fe, New Mexico. If we zoom in, you can see there has a lot of fun activities like national park, Sandu National Park is not far away, and there has a lot of wildness national wildlife refuge here. And there has some lakes and reservoir. So the closest town is called Alamosa. It's around 11 miles. You just drive through the Highway 17. It, the access is pretty good. Let me give you a tour and then talk about the zoning. So this property is zoned for residential or agricultural purpose. So in other words, you can build on it or use it as a farmland like these people do. Um, there is no homeowner association. So as you can see, this whole area is pretty flat. So you have very open view of all those mountains. The approximately the annual tax is around $168 per year. So you could purchase it and then always build later. So there's no time to build limitation. You can remain as vacant forever. And then the general elevation is around 7,500 feet. So in terms of utilities, um, most of the people in this area they just go off grid. So for power, it's gonna be solar power, and then water. You need to drill a well. This area, I think the water table is not too deep. It should be pretty reasonable. And then sewer, you will need to install a septic tank. So let me show you. Let me show you the maybe some straight view, give you a little bit understanding about the access. So this is a highway, I believe is 17th. Yeah. So this lot is in this area. Okay, let's see. So this is Stanley Road. You have access, and then this is Highway 17. So you can, let's try this, maybe the Stanley Road. Let's see this house here. You can see, give you some taste about this area. So it looks like this person already have something connected, like the power line. So you might have the capability, have the power line. You need to reach out to Excel, who provide the power. So anyways, this is the big picture of this property. Feel free to visit anytime. Just plug in the GPS coordinates. So this property is on our website, CheapLandFarm.com. You can do your own due diligence. If you have questions, click the FAQ page. So these are the general questions we get a lot from our buyers. So I'm Bay, so I'm not a realtor. I'm the founder of CheapLandFarm.com. So all the property we're selling is owned by my organization. And then if you have questions, you didn't see the FAQ page address your questions, feel free to contact me. So my information is all on the property page. Well, thank you so much for watching.